Ka Crest Higher Secondary School kabadon haranja kalayo ban pynkup Burom da ka kusnam Dr. Lustep Lori Ganville Memorial Achievement Award syaki khmat pule ka bapasbha ha ka exam SSLC kabadang sudep penbenasian ya ka result bat kumjuro ya kinohikai ke baladon benda ban kentiu ya ki khmat pule jong kani ka school ha kani ka sngi ladon lang uba McDonald Marbanyang Ubadai joint director ka embos kum kongsan ka kong isi pariat ibadai advisor ka school iba ediwar ubadai urang ba sinong ka sinong ranja ba AL monte pariat ibadai principal bat kiba syakot ngobha ki khna ke bayo pdiang ya ka usnam hagni kesngi kilong I Uma Rani Norem ibayo ya ka kerdan 16 position Y Sonali Devi ibayo ya ka kerdan ba khatpra kadba kinohikai ke ba sya pynkup Burom hagni kesngi kilong Miss Gracia Langdo Tron ibahikai ka health education chemistry but science nangta isa Bibi Shaw bahikai ka mathematics but Miss Papuri Bordaloi ibadai vice principal.
Those who have always been with us all these years, from Vishnu and everyone who have given us the support, and especially most of all for Mr. Marbanyang for being here and giving us this very good support for the school by your presence here. So I would like to congratulate, of course, not only the teachers who have come up here, but those teachers of the other subjects also who have been behind our students all these years and who have given them support, guidance, and given their time
academically but also in extracurricular activities. An amazing teacher who's ever ready to face any kind of challenges. This is our mission to reach such heights.
In fact, everyone, I always feel that because I started with the class playgroup and nursery, and the reason for starting the school with those was to give them that base, that they will, so that they can have it as they go up the classes, and that we have seen in some of our students who have reached the top. One is Miss Begum, who was here from nursery. But it so happens that unfortunately when the children go up to the high classes, they move on to the bigger schools. So we've lost a lot of them. And so with the ones that we have, we've managed to get them to get a full pass for all the years. And this year also it was a 100% pass. And I'm so happy that in these little steps that we are being able to take from year to year, we've been able to encourage them. And I hope that, because my passion was for this area, when we first came here, there were hardly any houses here. So from that time, I've always felt that why not give the children of this area and the surrounding areas the same facilities that the schools in Lankra or other areas are having. And that is our aim, and that is what we're trying to do. And with this year, I think we've got a very good momentum, and we hope that in the future years to come, we will give the same results. And I want to thank all the teachers who have been able to give us the support right from the nursery right up to class 10 and class 12 also. Thank you all very much. And once again, I welcome and thank everyone who's here to give us this support today.
It's a privilege to me to be here today, as the principal of the schools used to come often to my office to discuss especially how to improve the school. And I have seen the sea of change in the schools. I was inquiring from Mrs. Parrott in which year the school was started. It was the year 1996. So that means they have crossed 25 years, now it's 28 years. And even prior to this year also, some students, they already got in the merit list of the SSLC exams. But this year is exemplary with three positions schools they got this year. It's a huge congratulations from my side to the principal, to the vice principal, to all the teachers, and especially to the students. It's a collaborative, success, working together. It's a collaborative working together, success all of you. Like the right hand cannot do anything without the left hand, but the one eye cannot do anything without the other eye. So all of you collectively, you have worked together. And I know that there is nothing impossible if you have that good coordination, if you have that good cooperation. There is nothing is impossible. The school is a very good school, I know, because every year I used to check the result. It's 100%, like what Miss has stated, 100%. And these students who come out from Crest, they are really the cream. They are really the cream. Why I say that they are really the cream? Because when they go anywhere, they shine. They shine in their, in their studies, in their excellence, in their academic careers. They shine. Most probably, perhaps some of them, they must have been in the very good settled, in a very good place of work and all these things by now, in a good position, perhaps. And we hope also for all the three and the other has come up successfully this year also. They'll do well in their exams. These students of class 11 and 12, now they have to start preparing themselves. Where they want to go. If we want to go for medical, you know very well. If you want to go for engineering, if you want to become a teacher, NCTE has made it a professional now. Not like past class 12 you go and teach. No, without this degree we cannot teach. So there are lots of reforms now in education in our country. So we required to update ourselves. As the administrator of the schools also they required to update. As academicians also they required to update. As educationists also they required to update ourselves. And also as students who need to pursue their higher education, we need to update ourselves. So I congratulate the schools and I hope that the schools will do better and better in the years to come. That is my best wishes to the administrator, to the principal, to the vice principal, to the teachers, as well as to the student of the school. Thank you so much, and God will bless you.